welcome to another video here in beautiful Tunisia. As you know, it is summertime and I'm back on the beach again. That's it right there. And today it's quite interesting. As you saw from the video clips before this, we actually took a boat to get here. We're in Bizerte and we're on a strip of land that is a bit separated from the rest of Tunisia, just a little bit, and it is set up really nice. We have our sheds here where we could relax. There is sheds in the water. There is hammocks in the water where you could relax. So today it's all about just enjoying the scenery, enjoying the vibes, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Of course, the main thing we come to do is swim. So, already change, water. On the beach, we swam a little bit and now we're relaxing. That's my friend. Yeah, now we're relaxing on the beach. So how is it so far? It's good?
It's very good.
Very good. We're all very hungry at the moment. It's like 12:15 and we have like 45 minutes again before we get our lunch. But we're ready right now. As I said, we're waiting on lunch. That's the guys there grilling the fish. So hopefully soon. A little wait, we're finally getting lunch. We're starting off with the different types of salad. Look how nice that looks. So yeah, it's going to be good.
Yummy!
So we finished, ate our lunch, we had some tea, and now we're taking a little walk along the beach. I have with me Sarah. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi!
And Mariel.
Hi!
Alright, so yeah, let's walk and see what we find. So we're walking along the beach here in Tunisia, Coco Beach, you know, and what do I see? A Jamaican flag flying there. Apparently there's a restaurant called Jamaica Paradise. I mean, you never expect something like that, right? On a swing, on the beach, summertime in Tunisia, right? Walked and we're just passing restaurants and cabanas and people just having fun. I just wanted to show you something. We have the open Mediterranean behind us, that's where everybody's bathing. If you look behind here, quite in the back there you see the mountains. That's Bizerte, and you'd see there is a natural bay there that's protected by here, and that's where we are. This is not connected to the mainland. That's why we took a boat to get here. That's the mainland behind us. As you can see, we're all changed back into our dry clothes and we're going to head on the boat to head back to the mainland. That's it. We're back on mainland Tunisia. I'm here on a little makeshift pier, seen it behind me, and we're waiting for the boat to go back and bring the rest of the group before we head home. It was a pretty good day. I know this might be a very short video because it's mainly just us going, having fun on the beach, and then coming back. It's still good to show you guys the adventure. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. It's the first time I really spent some true summertime in Tunisia, so you've seen a lot of these summer videos these days. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and as always, remember to like, subscribe, and all of those good things. Okay, until I see you guys in the next one. Later.